Welcome to ASEAN MedTech Insights, a major development just unfolded in the region's regulatory landscape last week. Malaysia's Medical Device Authority and Thailand's Food and Drug Administration have officially launched a joint regulatory reliance pilot program. This initiative is designed to create a streamlined registration pathway between the two countries. In principle, a medical device that has already secured approval from one of these authorities will be eligible for an accelerated and simplified review process in the other. This is a significant step forward for an industry often slowed by regulatory fragmentation across Southeast Asia. The core promise is a dramatic reduction in time to market and associated costs. For MedTech companies, this means less duplication of extensive paperwork and clinical evidence submission. The pilot program is initially focused on low to moderate risk devices, specifically those classified as Class B and C. However, this is not a simple rubber stamp approval. While the clinical data from the first country's approval is accepted, the technical dossier must be meticulously prepared to meet the specific nuances of the second country. For instance, labeling, language requirements, and certain local administrative documents must be perfectly aligned with the second country's regulations. There is no room for error in the submission. Consider the case of a Malaysian company that manufactures a digital diabetic monitoring device. This product has already been approved by the MDA in Malaysia. Under the old system, entering the Thai market would be a completely separate project, likely taking over a year. With this new reliance program, they can aim for market entry in under 6 months. But here's the challenge they face. Their existing technical file, while perfect for Malaysia, uses English-only labeling and lacks certain cybersecurity declarations required by Thailand's FDA. Without adjusting these specific details, their application to the pilot program would be rejected, wasting valuable time and resources. This pilot program could serve as a blueprint for a future broader ASEAN-wide regulatory harmonization framework. It signals a shift towards greater cooperation and efficiency. However, navigating the immediate opportunity requires deep, localized expertise. The pilot has a limited number of slots, and competition will be fierce. Only companies with flawless, submission-ready documentation will succeed. For expert guidance on navigating complex, multi-market access programs like the Malaysia-Thailand Reliance Pilot, contact Chen-Global at info@cheglobal.com or visit our website at https:/peerglobal.com.